Good day, and thanks very much for joining me at Sampit Marsh. This is part of Christchurch Harbour, across the way from Haysbury Head, if you know where that is. Now, looking on bird guides, the osprey has been spotted frequently coming down to fish. And I come down here Friday afternoon. I have to go to Blandford Lakes just to have a look and a little bit of research to see what I can find. Speaking to some of the locals, it is confirmed that he comes down here frequently, pretty much daily, to come and catch a fish, however he goes back home. So we've got to keep our guard out to see if we can find him. So we're going to try our very best and wait for low tide, because that's when he tends to come. So without further ado, let's get into it.
One arm out my window, left and didn't tell a soul. Where I'm headed, I don't know. Life is heavy lately, nothing seems to go my way these days. I feel the season changing, and I think it's about time I close my eyes and let it take me somewhere new tonight. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way in. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. Moonlight on a back road drive, the last breath of late July. Watch the days turn into nights, but none of them were ever mine. Life is heavy lately, and good things can never stay that way. Feel the season changing, and I think it's about time to realize that I can still be someone new if I try. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way in. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Waking up in the flower bed, the sun is up, table set, we eat and drink. Body and bread, blood and wine. There's a time to live, time to die, and a time to be. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat. With everything in motion, say a word, hold a hand. Life is not the sum of what we plan, but the in-between. This miracle of human life and the body and time that we occupy, it is all together sacred. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat, with everything in motion. Oh, here now, see the beauty that is woven in every single moment. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. Tomorrow's still a mystery. Don't worry about what you wear or eat. Just stop and smell the roses. Nothing here is guaranteed, but the love surrounding you and me will hold us together. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat, with everything in motion. Oh, here now, see the beauty that is woven in every single moment. In every single moment. Slow down and listen for a heartbeat, with everything in motion. Here now, see the beauty that is woven in every single moment.
Or you'll regret it. You'll regret drinking that. I have got some water in my bag. So once we get down to, this is the area I'm going to, where that bloke's running, if you can see them. And you've got Hainsbury Head on the other side. And I'm hoping that area there, because there's a few trees on the other side, that might be where the osprey is resting. We're going to have a few days down in this area. I've not decided what I'm going to do tomorrow. I have got Monday and Tuesday off work because I need to take time off work occasionally. volunteers down here. Across that way between those two trees is one way he comes and he goes up to the right. Now we may decide to go somewhere different tomorrow, but I don't know. Obviously, hopefully you can see me, but the sun is right behind me. It's lovely, but not ideal solution. Now the plan is to get him flying in. It would be lovely to get him fishing, but if he's fishing in there, if I get him, it's not going to be very good.
Where you gonna go? You're scared to be alone, but now you are on your own. Sorry you were sad. You thought that our love was worth saving. You were wrong. We can wait this out, see if I'll come back around. We both know I'll hold my ground on the other side of town, and I won't miss you, I won't. Did it hurt you when you learned everything you heard about me and her was true? Was true. So what you gonna do? I'm waiting on your move, girl, so get on it or get lost. Yeah, get on it or get lost. We can wait this out, see if I'll come back around. But we both know I'll hold my ground on the other side of town, and I won't miss